So you are fully recovered from the hip replacement, the knee replacement, and the shingles are gone?
Yes, girl, I'm ready to go.
You can probably run circles around me right now. I'm 34, and when I tell you that sometimes I can't even stand up without like 1, 2, 3, and then like jumping myself up. So you're probably in way better shape than I am, if I'm being 100% honest. Hi, you're 69?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
It's a good number, isn't it? Okay, let's take a look at your packages. What's your favorite color?
Why am I getting a new dress? Is that what you're asking?
Not for a dress.
Oh,
Good thing is they're on back order, so you're not gonna get it anytime soon. We just like to have them ordered in advance. Okay. Okay, so you are fully recovered from the hip replacement, the knee replacement, and the shingles are gone?
yes, girl, I'm ready to go.
Okay, you can probably run circles around me right now. I'm 34, and when I tell you that sometimes I can't even stand up without like 1, 2, 3, and then like jumping myself up. So you're probably in way better shape than I am, if I'm being 100% honest. So, what the 70's package offers is you get to customize this package basically however you want. So, you want to go live on a cruise ship like the 50's? That's fine. If you want to take a couple naps like the 60's, that's also fine. You tell me what it is that you want. That's what the 70's is all about.
What? No, I want you to tell me. I don't want to put any
Yeah,
thought
I
into it.
understand. The thing is that with all the other packages, I told everyone what their packages were, and they kind of jumped down my throat saying that they didn't sign up for it and it wasn't fair. So what we decided to do for the 70's was to just give you free reign.
No, no, I don't want
Oh,
that.
you want us to build your package. Okay.
Yeah.
So we already have your let's think of a better word for it. Your permanent sleeping bed. We already ordered it in that pretty pale blue that you like.
Yeah,
Okay.
that works.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So you are widowed, but let's see. You and Franklin from the church are throwing each other the eye every Sunday. Okay. I told you 69 was a good number. I'm just saying. All right. I signed you up for the Zumba class on Mondays and Thursdays. Are both of those days okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Girl, you're gonna be catching up faster than I tell you, I go to Zumba every Monday and I can't keep up. All right, let's see. So we have you for Zumba. Do you want to try cycling?
Girl, sign me up for everything.
I mean, you could cycle in the gym or you can cycle around your neighborhood. But you live in Florida, so I wouldn't trust riding a bike out on the street. Let's just stick to cycling at the gym. Let's do that. You want to do that? You want to move out of Florida, don't you?
Absolutely.
Okay. But we can't go anywhere cold because of your arthritis. Okay. All right, hold on.